Hey, Bird, when I see you, you know,
Bruh,
if I ask you, like, no way shot, we ain't gonna talk about that shit, though. Bird.
Everybody's just start breaking. I ain't do nothing. I just say, Bird.
Niggas can't even talk to Bird without them running, bro. This nigga was running from me on FaceTime, bro. I said, Bird, chill, Bird. Chill. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? This nigga real life was running from me on FaceTime, bro.
Was running on FaceTime.
Oh, God, bro. I swear to God, bro. Chucky had the phone, bro. He like, Bird, this nigga is running, bro. He like, man, this nigga a bitch, bro. I'm like, nah, bro. Give the phone, bro. He like, nah, hey, Bird, I ain't trying to holler at you. He real life running from this nigga.
Hey,
I'm bleeding. I say, this nigga real life weird as shit.
Man, Bird had niggas most deep than me. Bird,
Yeah, we ain't doing that with you though, Bird.
Hey, Bird, you
ain't
ain't
on
on
that.
that bed, though,
You hear me?
Bird.
You gotta be one. You gotta be like the retarded nigga. You see the nigga that be doing that retarded shit out of line, and you just gotta be him. You just gotta be him and go up. You gotta do some shit.
Bird, shit.
You hear me?
Did I tell y'all about this? I didn't tell y'all.